outfit picked out, and it's just this white tee and these little gray, I guess they sleep pants, I don't know, but they were in the sleep section as well as the sports side. But this is my outfit. I just have on this white shirt, as I showed y'all already, and these gray bottoms, pajamas I showed y'all, and gray combo boots that y'all seen before. But now I'm finna change my phone back real quick. He's pull up, and then I'm finna head out to go get their boots or whatever. So I might just make it a get ready to vlog because I do have other stuff to go do. So I'm finna go do that. Fun fact. I'm super short, so my seat has to be super hot. But other than that, y'all, I'm on my way. I'm in the car, as y'all can see. I have to put the GPS in or whatnot, so I can get to where I need to go to. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. And I forgot to face mask, so yeah, I need to run a couple places. And I need to put some gas up in here too. They're not gonna have no gas by the time I get back to this side of town. So I'll talk to you guys later. And y'all look so dried out, but the first stop is gonna be Burlington, so I can run these outfits back. I don't. Again, they're not pajamas. They're actual like short pants outfits. I thought they were short pant pajamas because when I called the girl, last night, the girl was like, "Yeah, they have a variety of pajamas." I guess she thought. Well, I thought the same thing, that these little outfits were pajamas. Because they're like the little jersey, like, type short pants or whatever. I mean, I'm quite sure people that probably watched the video earlier and see me do my haul probably thought, like, those are not pajamas. They're not pajamas. Alright, guys, so we're at Burlington. Gonna get out the car. Because it's snowing, y'all. Y'all can see it's snowing. Alright, y'all. I ended up getting the phone. I was on the phone interview, so this is what I found so far for my kids. There's some Perry Ellis jackets. These are really, really pretty to me. They're like rain jackets or something, but I like the bigger boy sizes better. Cause look at this. They have that white and blue option. Then they have this one, as well as this little yellow one. Or is this not one? No, that is Perry Ellis. They have this yellow and white one. This is really cute. They have more options in the bigger boys sizes. That's not one. That's London Fog, but they just have way more options. Alright, y'all, so this freaking snow, y'all. What is up? What's really going on? Makes me not want to go anywhere. Alright, y'all, this is Wisconsin in January. I'm very upset. Little Square Mall. I'm looking for champs up in here. Yeah, I found that really quickly. It was literally right there. I'm gonna go pick up my kids' boots. Yeah, that'll be it. They look like pure too. I got the shoes. Snow all over me. But now I'm finna run to Walmart. I got the goods over there in the front seat. We're going to Walmart, then I'm going to go home. Well, go back to their dad's house and make them something to eat. I'm out of breath because I was running. But I'll talk to y'all later because I have to put the GPS in for a Walmart around me real quickly. Alrighty, guys, we're at Walmart. I keep on forgetting to press the record button. Y'all need to hurry up. I'm moving really fast, so y'all ain't see me grab this. But I'm moving fast because I need to get back to my kids, and it's getting really, really bad out. So, yeah. I don't get it. I don't understand it. I need to find the pajamas really quickly. I might have to come back and grab some t-shirts too. Let me look around first because I see a lot of clearance stuff in here. So, This stuff is not on clearance. I'm guessing these are all the pajamas they have. So, hold on. Yeah, my skin be looking super dry on camera. They don't look in the real life. That's it. If they look that on camera, too, they look that in real life. No, the camera makes me look all washed out and everything. I'm currently on my way home now, y'all. I done spent way too much money. And all I came out here to do was return something and get pajamas. And in the process of doing that, it did not go well. So, I went in there for pajamas and the cheesecake. Came out with pajamas, house shoes, cheesecake, donuts, chips, candy. Like, I'm broke now. I'm tapped. No more moolah for sure. I ain't broke, y'all. No cap. Guess I'm all the way home, y'all. The roads are really, really bad. I'm at a red light. That's why I'm talking right now. But once the light changes green, I'm gonna have to go ahead and stop recording. But I do have to go to work at 5:45 today, so hopefully their dad can get there safely and sound and enough time for me to go to work. Alright, so hey guys, I'm back home. I'm gonna just do a little quick haul for you guys. Other stuff I did get while I was out. I was shopping during the snowstorm, y'all. Went broke during the snowstorm, y'all. So I'm finna show y'all the goods right here that I got. Ooh, my phone's shaky. I don't want to drop it, but I'm finna show you guys what I got, and then that'll end off the video because I have to go to work later on tonight, so I'm not gonna be able to vlog anything. So yeah, let me show y'all the haul, and then let me show y'all the stuff I got, and then that'll be the end. Y'all know the first store I went in was Burlington, and that was to exchange. Wait, this is in the way. That was to exchange those outfits, and they left the alarms and everything on there. But yeah, I got these cookies for my kids because they're not getting none of my donuts, and I'm gonna show y'all that I got from Walmart. I got these. I was looking through the phone instead of the actual box. Then y'all got me these cute old little rain boots. They was originally $19.99 for $6.99. Yeah, I did it again. I think I'm gonna go to the other two Burlingtons when I get some money. But this is what they look like. They are I think London Fog. Yeah, they're London Fog boots. Really, really cute, y'all. I am so extra, and they fit just right. They fit perfectly. Yeah. I'm irritated. It's like, oh, my sock came off with the shoe. Here's the other one. Then it has like this little embellishment on the back that says London Fog, established 19. I can't even see that, 23. And then I also got these boots that I want to try to pair with that little Disney shirt I bought from Route 21 yesterday. Hopefully it matches. It seemed like it does. That's what these look like. I don't know the brand of these, but they were originally $16.99. I got them for $7.99. And it's, I can't tell what brand that is. Yeah, I don't know that brand. I'm not familiar with it. One pack of socks. I'm gonna get all the boys a couple pairs off here until I wash. And then I got myself something red for the first time. I don't have anything red. I never buy red. But I got these little heels. Really, really cute. It says by Amy Michelle. I got them in the 7.5. Hopefully they can fit. But this is what they look like. They're really, really cute. I like the square toe. They were, I can't even see how much they were originally, but I got them for $6.99. And then I got my boys this little rain jacket. I got 3 of them. So it's by Perry Ellis. They were $14.99. Really, really cute. I had a 4T, 3T, and a 2T. Yeah, I ended up finding a 2T. 3T. Then I ended up finding a 2T on the end, the very, very end, for my baby boy. So that's a plus. Because these actually look kind of big. They look kind of big or whatever. So I'm happy I was able to find that 2T. Because that 3T probably would have been to my baby knees. And then look at it, y'all. It's so cute. Look how the writing is on the side. That's really, really cute. No, champs, y'all already know. I don't think I showed y'all the other pair yesterday. But I got 2 9s. Because I have twins, obviously. And then I have a size 6. I'll just show y'all the size 9. I just got the the all black Timberlands for them. And that is that. There's nothing major about those. Alright, so we're gonna start with this bag because it's nothing but snacks. Donuts, my flamings, and some, that's my snacks for work tonight. I ended up getting my boys some house shoes as well as the pajamas, like I said, in the car. I got the twins these. They're just the only size of 9, 10, but house shoes they had. No. But I'm finna get ready and put wash them up again and put their pajamas and stuff on. And then that's the other pair. And then for Kari, I got him these ones. But it's like, he look like he needs a 6 or 7. Look, his feet look kind of big. I don't know. But I ended up getting him the Paw Patrol and the pajamas right here. These are the pajamas I ended up getting. As long as you have kids, you're going to probably always have a messy house. I ended up getting this one. These are the pajamas I ended up getting for the kids. It just says today's mood, surprise, brave, happy, and curious. And of course I got 3. Yeah. That is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the haul. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And this is everything. I will talk to you guys in tomorrow's video. Bye.